Welcome to this online course on Learning Analytics. In this short introduction, we talk about the rationale for the course, the intended audience, and what you can expect in each unit, as well as how the course will unfold. As a primer, this course is for teachers, whether in school or post-school environments, who have an interest in understanding the basics and key principles of learning analytics. While we have tried to make the text and key concepts as accessible as possible for a broad audience, there may be some units referring to mathematical or computer science concepts that may be more challenging for those without a background or interest in these concepts. We have attempted, though, to make those concepts as simple as possible. So, what is Learning Analytics? At the first Learning Analytics and Knowledge Conference in 2011, Learning Analytics was defined as follows: the measurement, collection, analysis and reporting of data about learners and their contexts for purposes of understanding and optimizing learning and the environments in which it occurs. To understand this, let's focus on a learner's learning journey from an institutional perspective. While the definition of learning analytics may still sound very abstract to you, let us think of a fairly typical learning journey at an institution. We can think of this journey in 3 phases. The first phase entails pre-enrollment inquiries, the first contact with the institution, or re-enrollment inquiries. The second phase refers to the official start of a learning journey, when learners are admitted to a specific institution and qualification or programme. The third phase entails a learner's journey on the courses for which she or he has registered. From the point of pre-enrollment or re-enrollment through to the end of the journey, we collect learner data for a variety of uses, such as operational and strategic planning, reporting to regulatory bodies and quality assurance, but also to inform how we teach and how our learners learn. Let's return to phase 1. What data do we collect from learners when they inquire about enrolment or when they re-enroll? Most probably, we collect demographic data, financial data, and data of their prior learning achievements or experiences. In phase 2, when learners are formally admitted to the institution and to the programme or qualification of their choice, learners engage with a number of institutional role players, such as the admissions office, learner support or counselling, and the finance department. Each of these stakeholders may have access to the data collected during phase 1, and they will also collect their own data. Phase 3 provides an overview of what happens in each course a learner registered for example, history or mathematics. The pedagogical strategy may include a range of options, such as activities on the learning management system, face-to-face classes, laboratory work and blended learning. During this phase, learners may also engage with a variety of different role players, such as learner support, the library, and of course their teachers. Each of these aspects of a learner's learning journey on a course produces data, and each role player in the course collects and uses learner data. When we think of what types of data may be collected, we can think of things such as attendance registers and login patterns, engagement between learners and teachers, emails and visits, formative assessments, and summative assessments. Let's revisit the definition of learning analytics that we referred to earlier. Does it make more sense now? Learning analytics for us refers to how teachers and course support teams collect and use learner data to understand learners' learning and the context in which the learning occurs. We will learn more about this in this course. So what can you expect in each unit, and how will the course unfold? There are 10 units in this course, and some are shorter than others. Each unit focuses on an aspect of learning analytics. While you are welcome to access the units in any particular order according to your interests, we've designed this course thinking of the units in a particular sequence. For example, the first 5 units provide an important foundation for the rest of the course. We suggest that you consider doing units 1 to 5 first, before you explore the remaining units. Each of the units is organised in a similar way and has the following elements: an introduction, the planned outcomes for the unit, self-assessment opportunities that form an integral part of each unit to check your understanding. Answers to these questions are provided at the end of each unit. Each unit may also make use of tables, figures and diagrams to break up the monotony of the text. Some units also include short videos to highlight particular aspects of the topics covered. In addition to the content, activities and self-assessment questions in every unit, you will also find a number of resources and references in the footnotes. We hope that you enjoy working through each of the units, watching the videos, and self-assessing your understanding of learning analytics as you progress through the course. We wish you all the best in your exploration.